As you may have heard, AI is having a very busy year. So we've got lots to talk about. Let's get started. We've been applying AI to make our products radically more helpful for a while. With generative AI, we are taking the next step. Using a combination of semantic understanding and generative AI, you can do much more with a new experience called Magic Editor. Let's have a look. This is a great photo, but as a parent, you always want your kid at the center of it all. And it looks like the balloons got cut off in this one. So you can go ahead and reposition the birthday boy. Magic Editor automatically recreates parts of the bench and balloons that were not captured in the original shot. As a finishing touch, you can punch up the sky. It changes the lighting in the rest of the photo so the edit feels consistent. It's truly magical. Imagine if you could see your whole trip in advance. With immersive view for routes, now you can. Today, we are ready to announce our latest Palm model in production, Palm 2. While Palm 2 is highly capable, it really shines when fine-tuned on domain-specific knowledge. We recently released SecPalm, a version of Palm 2 fine-tuned for security use cases. Another example is MedPalm 2. In this case, it's fine-tuned on medical knowledge. This fine-tuning achieved a 9x reduction in inaccurate reasoning when compared to the model.
Bard will become more visual, both in its responses and your prompts. So if you're looking to have some fun with your fur babies, you might upload an image and ask Bard to write a funny caption about these two. We are removing the waitlist and opening up Bard to over 180 countries and territories. You'll be able to talk to Bard in Japanese and Korean. With Palm 2, Bard's math, logic, and reasoning skills made a huge leap forward, underpinning its ability to help developers with programming. Here, Bard created a script to recreate this chess move in Python. And notice how it also formatted the code nicely, making it easy to read. As you collaborate with Bard, you'll be able to tap into services from Google and extensions with partners to let you do things never before possible.
People use slides for storytelling all the time, whether at work or in their personal lives. Let's pick one of the slides and use the poem on there as a prompt for image generation. Let's hit create and see what it comes up with. Starting next month, trusted testers will be able to try this and 6 more generative AI features across Workspace. As you can see, we've launched a side panel, something the team fondly calls Sidekick. Sidekick instantly reads and processes the document and offers some really neat suggestions, along with an open prompt dialogue. We can see the true potential of AI as a collaborator, and we'll be bringing this experience to Duet AI for Workspace.
I am just so excited by the potential of bringing generative AI into search. What you see here looks pretty different, so let me first give you a quick tour. You'll notice a new integrated search results page, so you can get even more out of a single search. There's an AI-powered snapshot that quickly gives you the lay of the land on a topic. Let's say you're searching for a good bike for a 5-mile commute with hills. In the AI-powered snapshot, you'll see important considerations. Right under the snapshot, you'll see the option to ask a follow-up question or select a suggested next step. Tapping any of these options will bring you into our brand new conversational mode. If you're in the US, you can join the waitlist today by tapping the Labs icon in the latest version of the Google app or Chrome desktop.
All of the investments you've heard about today are also coming to businesses. We're working with many other incredible partners. You can build generative applications using our AI platform, Vertex AI. This infrastructure makes large-scale training workloads up to 80% faster and up to 50% cheaper.
I want to share one concept that 5 engineers at Google put together over the last few weeks. The idea is called Project Tailwind, and we think of it as an AI-first notebook. You can simply pick the files from Google Drive, and it effectively creates a personalized and private AI model that has expertise in the information that you give it. You can see it's pulling out key concepts and questions grounded in the materials that I've given it.
And while I feel it's important to celebrate the incredible progress in AI and the immense potential that it has for people and society everywhere, we must also acknowledge that it's an emerging technology. That's why we believe it's imperative to take a responsible approach to AI. For example, have you come across a photo on a website with very little context, like this one of the moon landing, and found yourself wondering, is this reliable? In the coming months, we're adding 2 new ways for people to evaluate images. First, with our About This Image tool in Google Search, you will be able to see important information such as when and where similar images may have first appeared. We will ensure that every one of our AI-generated images has metadata, a markup in the original file to give you context if you come across it outside of our platforms.
With more than 3 billion Android devices, we've now seen the benefits of using AI to improve experiences at scale. We're launching a major update to our Find My Device experience to support a wide range of devices in your life, including headphones, tablets, and more. We're introducing unknown tracker alerts. Your phone will tell you if an unrecognized tracking tag is moving with you and help you locate it. Last week, we published a new industry standard with Apple, outlining how unknown tracker alerts will work across all smartphones.
This year, we're combining Android's guided customization with Google's advances in generative AI, so your phone can feel even more personal. With our new generative AI wallpapers, you choose what inspires you, and then we create a beautiful wallpaper to fit your vision. So let's take a look. So for example, I can pick, what am I going to do? City by the Bay in a post-impressionist style. Cool. And I tap Create Wallpaper. Nice. Now, behind the scenes, we're using Google's text-to-image diffusion models to generate completely new and original wallpapers.
We're completely upgrading everything you love about our A series with the gorgeous new Pixel 7a. Introducing Google Pixel Fold. It combines Tensor G2, Android innovation, and AI for an incredible phone that unfolds into an incredible compact tablet. The unique combination of form factor, triple rear camera hardware, and personal AI with Tensor G2 make it the best foldable camera system.
I'm looking at Google Photos of a recent snowboarding trip. Now, the scenery is really beautiful, so I want to show you on the big screen. I just open my phone and the video instantly expands into this gorgeous full screen view. Just swipe to bring up the new Android taskbar, then drag Google Messages to the side to enter split screen mode.